Today I want to walk you through one of our recently completed townhouse project here in Rivervale. This is a 4-unit townhouse development with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and double garages. It is designed specifically for investors looking to either build to rent or build to sell. What we focus on in projects like this is efficiency, not just in construction, but also design, cost control, and long-term performance. You'll notice that the finishes are clean and practical. We're not trying to overspec the project, but we make sure everything's durable and low maintenance. One of the key things we offer at JAV Developments is an end-to-end service. From site acquisitions to design to construction and subdivision, we manage everything for our client. We don't just build homes, but we also think like developers. Every decision that we make is based on how the projects perform financially, both during construction and long after completion. If you're looking to develop your site, whether it's build to rent or build to sell, feel free to reach out and book a consultation. I'll be more than happy to walk you through what's possible.